ooVoo is a multi-party social video communication service. We're a New York headquartered U.S. company, but our users are across the world. 65% of our users in the U.S., the rest are more or less evenly spread out the world. We have last time actually when I took the interview with this event, which is only about a month ago, I said we have 55 million users. I mean, by now we're about 60, so that kind of gives you a sense of how fast that we're growing. We're very video-centric, compared to some of our competitors. While we offer a VoIP, feature, 95+% of our users come to us for the video features, and they use video call on our platform. We started 2007 and started as a PC desktop product, and in 2011 we launched our mobile product, and we have seen fantastic growth in our mobile user base. Today, our mobile user and usage accounts about half of all our usage, and mobile accounts for pretty much all of our user growth. So. The emphasis is definitely on mobile. No question about it. You've seen that mentioned across the spectrum about a number of service providers. Facebook's been mentioning that's a key issue for them to solve in order to make their business sustainable and grow as people were projecting for their stock price, right? So the same thing true for us. As I mentioned, mobile counts for all of our growth as of today, and we're putting a lot of effort both from product and technology and the marketing perspective to continue that growth in mobile. For us, we are a communication service, so that by default that means we need to support the platform, the end user platform, wherever our customers are. So we cover desktop, iOS, Android, web. So anywhere our customer wants to use our service, we wanted to support it. Right, so that's a very traditional challenge for a lot of the traditional so-called video chat providers. It's more of a isolated island of their users. If you think about Skype, right? You have to be a Skype user, have a Skype account, have to be logged on to use the service. ooVoo started out that way more or less, but today we are very much social. Social is very much in the fabric of what we offer. So, for example, if you're online, if you're on ooVoo and you want to reach out to your friend, you can reach out to him or her if they are on ooVoo network, or they're on Facebook, they're on Twitter. You can reach out to them, and we provide a web capability, so when they get that notification that you wanted to talk to them, they can react very quickly based on our web technology to get into a video communication session with you. Well, as I mentioned on the panel, I don't see there is head-to-head competition between the OTT and the operator. I think the two different parties are good at different things. I think for ooVoo, we have a very, very open mind in terms of working with operators. We actually welcome the opportunity to work with operators. In the U.S. market, for example, we're featured on Verizon's video calling portal. Which is just give you a small example of how we collaborate with operator, and we welcome operators to contact us, and we're very much interested in working with operators to deliver the best possible experience to the end user. Because at the end of the day, the operator manages the network. There are things that the OTT players wish to have access to, but they don't. And for us, quality is everything. You can talk about all the fancy features in the application, but at the end of the day, if the end user doesn't have a good video communication experience, then all those other fancy features doesn't matter, right? So in that sense, there are a lot of things we could do together with the operator. And I think vice versa. I think as I also mentioned on the panel, today the user is the true innovator in terms of the kind of services that will survive and thrive. And we're hopefully much more in touch with the end user in terms of what kind of service that they wanted to have and what kind of service that gets that emotional belongings, the bondage with the user. And I think operators can pick up a lot of those things from us as well. So jointly, I think we could have a win-win situation.